This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so in this demonstration, we will walk through how to restore any deleted items throughout the site. This is a really handy tool for admins in case someone accidentally deleted one of your forms, a user, a piece of equipment, a form response that has been submitted. All of that allows you to restore those records, and those are all of those items can be restored under the control panel here, under this Restore Records. So if you click into Restore Records here, you're going to choose your record type. And so if I'm looking for the actual form, it would house under this Forms type, and then I can restore the form. Just as a note, if anybody actually deleted the form and then there are form responses already submitted for this form, it actually does restore everything in its entirety, so you don't have to do anything other than click restore, and then you have your copy of your form back as normal. If you're looking for a specific response that someone submitted, you can also do the record type as response, and then you would be able to do the individual response that that person accidentally deleted by the same fashion of clicking restore. So feel free to look through these record types if you're looking for anything that was accidentally deleted. If it's not in this list, of course, feel free to reach out to support at kpaehs.com with any questions.